Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. You ever tired of your brick outside of your house? Maybe it's outdated and tired looking. I personally don't mind this rusty, rustic look, but sometimes you just have to modernize things, and that's exactly what this client wants to do here. So, the first thing you want to do is power wash the area. You have to get all the dust and mold and anything else that might be on the surface that will interfere with the adherence of your paint. And then after that, we want to throw some masking down because overspray can be a big thing. Even though that they have these nice tips, these low pressure tips nowadays, and they work fantastic, but you're going to want to shield a lot of what you spray and you want to mask it off properly. And it's all in the setup. The more prep you do, the more work you do, it's going to pay off in spades. So we're going to use a Loxon Masonary primer. And as you can see, it's gray. Now the primer does come completely bright white, but because we're going in a darker color, I got them to throw some tint in it at the paint store. And so what this will do is it'll save you hopefully a few coats when you're going darker, because there are so many angles on this brick. There's up, down, side. Uh, you just have to hit it at different angles, and you have to be careful that you don't get buildup of paint. So anyway, here's the primer coat, and this is the finished product right here. So it's a lot richer, as we've seen from that sort of rusty look that we had before. It really looks nice with the siding on the house, those shakes there, and the paneling. And it just really updates the space and really just modernizes and makes it look nice. And I think this is going to be great for years to come. We've checked all our work over, and there's no overspray, and that means we've masked everything off properly. So, these spaces can be transformed, and they can make a big difference. For only a couple grand, really, you transform a whole space. People walk up these steps here, and they come in, and you're like, wow, look at this showpiece right here.